All right, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2024 GMC 2500HD AT4. Now before we get started guys, make sure you like this video, subscribe down below for more content, and let's jump right into it. So first things first, we'll take a look at the key. You have the lock, unlock, remote start, and tailgate features, as well as the panic button. So up front of the AT4, you'll notice these very nice LED accented headlights, as you can see there. GMC logo up front with the AT4 badging. You got two red tow hooks up front with the ultrasonic parking sensors on the front as well. Really nice looking front end. You also do have the Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires wrapped around these 20-inch wheels, as you can see there. Off-road suspension as well. You have twin tube Rancho shocks all the way around. AT4 badging on the side. This also does have the 6.6 liter Duramax engine with the Allison transmission. It is a 10-speed automatic transmission as well. You have these nice grippy side steps on the side as well. And you also have the button on the door to lock or unlock it with the key in your pocket. You also have a nice deep step on the side so you can climb up into the bed and get to your toolbox if needed. Same 20-inch wheels on the back. Also same suspension setup. You have the twin tube Rancho shocks on the rear as well. Another step on the side. That's on both sides as well, as you can see there. You can see those little dots, which are the parking sensors in the back. You have a single exhaust tip, spare tire underneath. The way you can get that spare tire out is to use the key, unlock that, and then use the tool to wind the spare tire down. You have all of your towing hookups. You have a towing camera hookup for the inside and outside of your trailer, so you can see the inside and outside. Also has a 6-pin connector underneath. And this one comes equipped with the multi-pro tailgate. So to use that, you can press this top button to lower this top portion. You can use this as like a table, or you can flip it up like this to use it as a load stop. Now, if you put that back up, hit the bottom button, that'll drop the whole tailgate down. And you can press that top button again as well to drop that portion, and then pull this back down to use that as a step. So, as you can see here, you do have a handle, so you can step right up into the bed, nice and easy. Also in the bed, you do have the holes for your 5th wheel hookup. You do have a 4-pin and 6-pin connector as well in the back. All of your cargo tie downs, spray and bed liner with the AT4 logo stamped right there. You also do have a 120 volt outlet. But we'll go ahead and put everything back. Just like that. You can also see you do have the LED accented taillights as well, which looks super cool. This one has the 6.5 foot bed, as you can see there. So 6.5 feet for this one. You can go all the way up to 8 feet. You also do have your diesel exhaust fluid hookup right here as well. So you can fill that up anytime. And you also do have your diesel fill up. So it does have a cap on it. You can rest the cap on this little hook, just like that. Go ahead and put that back on. Now, taking a look at the back seats. For the AT4, you do have the Kalahari stitching, which is this tan stitching right here. Tons of storage in the door as well. Really nice leather seats in the back with that tan accenting. You do have storage behind the seats. You also do have cup holders in the middle. And you can also lift up and prop up the seat like that for extra storage space. You also do have storage underneath. Looks like we have a bag and some other stuff down here. engine block heater, all that stuff. So tons of utility space for the back seat. Let's go ahead and hop inside. This one also does have the rubber floor mats with the carpet center, which looks really nice and premium. You have heated seats in the second row, all of your phone hookups, and you have 2 different AC vents. We have storage behind the driver and passenger side. You can seat 3 people back here pretty comfortably. There's a ton of space back here, as you can see by my leg room. Tons of headroom as well. There's a divot in the roof for extra headroom. We also do have this nice little design in the doors as well. So really nice seating area back here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Moving up to the driver's side. You can see we have our power seat. So you can move that forwards, backwards. You can move the bottom portion up or down. You can raise or lower the seat. You can also tilt the seat backwards or forwards. And you have your lumbar controls. So same theme up here. You have the tan stitching with the black leather seats. AT4 badging in the headrest. This does have Bose audio. Sounds very good. Tons of storage inside the driver and passenger side. Automatic driver and passenger window. Also, the mirrors do fold in, so you can press this button right here to fold in the mirrors. And you can also fold them out if you're towing a large trailer, just for that extra visibility. You also have your lock and unlock buttons. Memory seat settings with 2 different settings and an exit setting. Let's go ahead and hop inside. We'll start her up. As you can see, as soon as you hop in, you have this graphic that displays on the center screen, letting you know that you are inside a GMC Sierra AT4. So we have the start button right here. Let's go ahead and push it with our foot on the brake. And she comes to life. So first things first, we'll start off with the steering wheel. You have nice tan stitching all the way around. Heated steering wheel, cruise control buttons right here. We also do have a forward collision gap adjust, so you have 3 cars, 2 cars, and 1 car length.
Connected by OnStar's high-speed 4G connection. Press the blue OnStar.
We also do have paddles behind the steering wheel, so this one is to scroll through your presets. And the one on this side is to turn the volume up and down. You can control the center menu by using these controls. So you have enter, you have up, you have down, and you have left, and you have right. Now in that center screen, you have all of your different information. So you can see how fast you're going. You can see your drive summaries, trip summaries, timer, tire pressure, driver assistance, oil life, brake pad life, air filter life, fuel filter life, and diesel exhaust fluid level. You can also see we have an audio, navigation, phone, and settings tab. Everything is completely customizable, so you can have different display layouts. We have classic, progressive, which is this right here, so it'll change simultaneously, digital, and we have clean. So we'll just leave it on classic for now, but you can also change the left and right side information. So on the left side right now it's on compass, but you have all of these different statistics that you can have on the left side. Tire pressure might be nice to have on the left side. On the right side, I really like the one that it's on already, so we'll just leave that. Now for the drive mode enhanced, you can see what drive mode you're in. Right now we're in normal and 2-wheel drive. You have all of your different controls over here for that. So we have auto, 4 high, 2 high, and 4 low. We also do have a trailer mode where if you press that button, you can see the tow haul mode is on. And we can also change our drive modes by tilting this to the left or right. So on this one, we just have normal and we have off-road mode. So those are the 2 different modes on the GMC Sierra AT4. We also do have all of our light controls. We have an electronic parking brake. You can activate that by putting your foot on the brake and hitting it. You'll know it's on because you'll see that red park in the top left. And same thing, you can cut it off, press it with your foot on the brake and it'll cut that off. We also do have heads-up display on this vehicle, so you can turn the brightness all the way up or down. You can change your information and move the heads-up display up and down. So here's the heads-up display. we'll go ahead and scroll through all the different information. So you have like off-road information, you have your miles per hour, you have your driver assistance mode, and you have a navigation mode. So tons of useful information up there. Coming down to the center, we have heated seats, cooled seats on the driver and passenger side. We also have dual zone climate, so the passenger side can be different from the driver's side. You can adjust your fan speed, turn it on or off, turn your AC on. Everything's in one place right there, guys. Like I said before, we have the start button, we have the diesel exhaust brake, we have the lane keep assist, parking sensors for the front and back. We can lower the tailgate by pressing this button. We have hazards, we have traction control, and we have hill descent mode. Tons of storage space in the center here. The shifter is located on the column of the steering wheel. So to shift in reverse, you just pull down like that. You can see we have all of our different cameras. So we have surround view on this vehicle. You can see all the way around it in a 360 view. You can also see behind you, in front of you. You have a zoomed in view of the front, zoomed in the back. We can see our back wheels, front wheels. We can see our tow hitch. And we can also see inside the bed. So tons of different useful views. We also can go down to neutral, like that, drive, and L mode. Now, if you're in L mode, you can change gears by going down or up. So this is down gears, this is up gears, and then you can put it back in park. So tons of storage space up here. We have two different chargers. We have our trailer brake adjuster, so you can adjust that. Also super deep center console with the AT4 badging up here. Wireless phone charger. We have a 3-prong outlet, 2 different phone chargers inside there, a tray that comes out, as you can see there. And we also have this gigantic touchscreen, so we can power it on or off. We can turn our volume down or up. We have a home button on the left side. Now, what we have here is our audio, which is your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth, as you can see there. We'll go back home. We have built-in Google Maps. We can see all of our different phones that are hooked up. We have the cameras that I just showed you, Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We also do have the trailering app, climate settings, Wi-Fi hotspot, Alexa, My GMC app, podcast, news, a bunch of different apps you can download on this screen. You can see we have the Kalahari stitching all the way around. We have nice kind of brushed aluminum accents around the dash right here as well. You also have 2 different glove boxes, so one up top and one in the bottom for tons of storage space. We also do have a rear view mirror, which turns into a camera by flipping it up. You can also adjust that. We can adjust the brightness, so you can turn the brightness up or down. You can zoom it in or out. And you can also move it down or up. So this is all preference. A lot of people like to leave it like this, but you can also have it like that if you're used to it. We have all of our OnStar buttons. We have our sliding rear glass window control. As you can see there, we can open or close that sliding rear glass window. We also do have our sunroof controls. So we have a manual sunshade, comes out like that. You can press this to slide it completely open. You can also close it back by pressing the opposite side. And you can also tilt the sunroof, so we can tilt it up just like that, and we can also tilt it back down. We have 2 different map lights up top here, and we have 3 different garage door openers. So that's pretty much it for the interior. Super comfortable up front, very nice place to be, tons of comfort and safety features. We have blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, so that little car right there will light up orange if something's in your blind spot, if you can see it. We also do have forward collision. Well, let's go ahead and take one last look at the outside. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this vehicle. This one looks absolutely beautiful, completely blacked out. Black paint, black wheels, black accents, black everything, just red GMC logos and tow hooks. Those headlights up front look really cool as well. But make sure you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'll also show you guys the window sticker so you guys can know how much this one costs. All right, so like I said, this is a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 four-wheel drive crew cab AT4. Black on black with the Kalahari accents on the interior. 6.6 liter turbo diesel with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Base price of this vehicle is $70,100. This has the turbo diesel AT4 Premium Plus package, gooseneck holes right there so you can see us prep for it. We have the Onyx black paint, and with destination charge and everything, this one comes out to $86,690. So here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause it and take a look at it. Also, one more thing I'll show you. On all GMC, Chevrolet, whatever trucks, you can see the towing capacity right here in the door. So as you can see, conventional, which is the tow hookup in the very back, you can tow 18,500. And with the gooseneck, you can tow 19,100 pounds. But that's it for now. If you guys are still watching, I appreciate it very much. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe down below. You'll also see a few different videos in the corners here, so if you guys like those, make sure you click them and check them out as well. But that's it for now. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.